How can I download and install an IR Blaster app on my smartphone?
Hello everyone. Today we are going to be talking about how you can download and install an infrared IR Blaster app on your smartphone. An IR Blaster can turn your smartphone into a universal remote, giving you the power to control a host of appliances like your TV, AC, and many more.
What is an IR Blaster app?
First things first, let's understand what an IR Blaster app is. An IR Blaster app allows you to use your smartphone as a universal remote to control your electronics that receive an IR signal such as TVs, air conditioners, and stereos. However, keep in mind that for the app to work, your smartphone must have an inbuilt IR Blaster hardware.
How to check if your phone has an IR Blaster?
Before downloading any IR Blaster app, it's essential to check if your phone has an IR Blaster. You can do this by looking at the specifications of your phone in its manual or on the manufacturer's website. Alternatively, you can simply look at the top of your phone. If there's a small black dot near the headphone jack or charging port, that's the IR Blaster.
How to download and install an IR Blaster app?
Assuming your smartphone has an IR Blaster, let's move on to how you can download and install an IR Blaster app. Head to your phone's application store, such as Google Play Store for Android or App Store for iOS, and search for IR Blaster in the search bar. You'll see a list of apps. Pick one that has good ratings and reviews. Click on the app and then click on Install. The app will be downloaded and installed on your smartphone.
How to use the IR Blaster app?
Once the app is installed, here's how you use it. Open the app and follow the on-screen instructions to set it up. Usually, you will need to choose the type of device you want to control and the brand. Once you've done this, your phone will act as a universal remote for that device. And there you go. You now know how to download, install, and use an IR Blaster app on your smartphone. Remember, not all smartphones come with an IR Blaster, so do check that first. If you have it, this feature can be really useful in making your life a bit easier. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this video helpful.